Hello and welcome to Get Creative in the Kitchen. Today's recipe is another quick and tasty cabbage and lentil curry or cabbage and Channa Dal recipe. So let's get straight into it. Here is a quick look at what you'll need for this recipe. Full ingredients in the description below. Here I have some split peas that I have soaked for about 2 hours. Start by heating your pan up. Oil goes in. And let that oil heat up. Okay, once that oil is hot, we're going to add our cumin seeds. I have got some green chilies here, which is optional. My Asafetida or hing. And some fresh curry leaves. Give that a little mix, making sure not to burn your seeds. And now it's time for my onions to go in. We're going to saute these onions till they turn translucent. Okay, our onions are nice and translucent. So it's time now for our ginger and garlic paste to go in. And we're going to saute that for a minute or two. Okay, that smells lovely, so it's time now for our dry spices to go in, starting with the turmeric, coriander, and the chili powder to your taste. Mix that through for a few seconds. Okay, that smells good. Okay, it's time now for my dal to go in. Mix that through. Once that has nicely mixed through, time now for the tomatoes to go in. We're going to cook our tomatoes and lentils together. I'm going to add just a splash of water to create some steam for this to cook in. Lid on and let this cook till the tomatoes turn soft. Okay, it's been about 5 minutes, so let's have a look. Alright, my tomatoes are still not mushy. My tomatoes were a little bit raw on the harder side, so it needs a little bit more longer. And check your dal. Okay, dal needs a few more minutes as well. So the water's dried up, so I'm just going to add another little dash of water. Okay, and I'm going to put this back on, the lid back on for another 5 minutes. Okay, 5 minutes is up, so let's have a look. Okay, that's better. My tomatoes will cook with the cabbage as well, so just let's check on the lentils or the dal. Yep, that's nearly done. I'm going to put the cabbage in stages because I've got a lot of cabbage compared to my pot. But the cabbage will shrink down. So mix that through. It smells lovely. If you do like cabbage, I have quite a few cabbage videos. I will link them in the description below. I've got a cabbage and meat. And I've got a cabbage and potato. I have added all my remaining cabbage. Okay, from now on we're not going to add any water to this dish. Cabbage releases a lot of water and you don't want to add water to cabbage because it just doesn't taste nice. It ends up all soggy and tasteless. I'm going to add my salt to taste and mix this through well. Okay, once you have mixed that cabbage through nicely and it's coated with all the spices, we're going to put our lid on and cook this cabbage down. It goes on for about 15 minutes, so see you in 15. Okay, this cabbage has been cooking for 15 minutes, so let's have a look. So it's been cooking in its own steam. That's looking good. It's just slightly crunchy, but I like that. I don't want it completely mushy, so I'm happy with that. I'm going to now add the garam masala. Okay, mix that garam masala through for a couple of minutes. Okay, that smells delicious.
Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. I look forward to hearing from you in the comments and see you in the next video.